You guys, welcome back to my channel. Porchia Nicole here, and I am back with another video. Today's video will be a hair tutorial slash hair review. I will be showing you how to make the quickest wig ever. Get you a bomb wig in less than 30 minutes, and also how to dye your hair jet black without ruining your lace. So if you're interested, please keep watching and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of my future uploads. AliSky did send me 3 bundles of their Malaysian water wave hair in lengths 24-inch and 226 inches. The hair was very soft. It had a nice curl pattern. It didn't have any smell or anything. The bundles were kind of like thin. So I can tell for this install, I would have needed 4 bundles of hair instead of 3. I also received a free part lace closure in 20 inches. The closure was pretty good. The pattern did match the pattern of the bundles. I can tell that this is going to be some nice hair. For this install, I used a dome cap, and you can use any one of these dome caps that I just shown. I really like the one in the white packaging. I also used a wig cap, some bonding glue, some Gots to Be Holding spray, and some mousse. Hey, y'all, ignore my elbows, okay? I don't know what I was doing. Look like I've been praying in some flour or something, but we just gonna ignore that. Right here, I'm just using the mousse to stick down all the little flyaways that's on my closure so they won't be in the way as I'm trying to sew it down and find my correct placing on my dome head. So that's pretty much all I'm doing. By the way, look at those curls, honey. Here I'm just trying to find the correct placing for my closure. I want to make sure I put it like a 1/2 inch in front of my dome cap and pin down my front lace to the dome cap. I'm going to spin it around to the back, and then I'm going to pull it down and then pin down the back, ensuring that it is flat all around the closure. Here I'm just pulling up the hair up from the closure and putting it into a small bun so it will be up and out of the way while I'm sewing down my closure. Here I'm just beginning my sewing method. It's really simple and easy. I don't do nothing extra. I just loop it through and pull it through so it will make a knot. And wow, I got stuck on the needle. Okay, players mess up too. Okay, so as I was saying, I just loop it through and securing it by going through the needle so it will. Why do I keep getting stuck on this needle? And I continue that method all the way around until complete. I'm just going to speed this up a little bit because it's pretty self-explanatory, and I will come back once I finish sewing down the closure.
Make it difficult for me to leave you alone. It's like everywhere I go, they always mention you. I try to let you go, but you always fall back. Though I seen this shit before, ain't nothing changed with you. You say you're sorry now, then turn around and do it all again. If I knew then what I know now, we would never begin. And it's crazy cause
Finish my sewing process, and I'm about to secure the thread. I think I'm looking for my scissors. So I'm about to cut the thread and then tie it into a knot a few times to secure it because we don't want this lace going nowhere, honey. We don't want it coming apart. We're going to cut off the extra thread, and then voila, we're done with that. Here I'm about to stretch down my dome cap and secure with T-pins so I can make it look like a nape of the neck, so I can make sure my bundles fit very securely and fit just right to my head. Here I'm just taking that 26-inch bundle, pulling it apart and measuring it out so I can start my gluing down process from each side of my head, back and forth. Alright guys, I don't know what happened, but the feed of me actually gluing down the hair to the dome was lost, corrupted, or something. I don't know. It will not show So at this point, you see me cutting off the excess wig cap. I had put down a wig cap over my dome cap, and this method just helps the glue stick better and dry quicker. I also spray a quick layer of Gots to Be spray over it too. I am finished. I am complete. In real time, this took me like 30 minutes, and that was it. And as you can see, yeah, nice, beautiful wig for you to wear, take on and off or whatever, or even glue it down if you want to. Here, I'm just going to show you how I got my hair jet black. It's very simple method. I do use regular box dye for this, and I just dye the whole head on the mannequin. Still is way easier to leave the head on the mannequin. The trick is to use one of the small little dye brushes like this and to part the hair really small and use the brush to get really close to the lace as possible without getting the dye on the lace. I also sprayed some Gots to Be at the bottom of the lace just to protect my lace just in case I did get a little dye on it. Just continue this all the way around the head and then boom, jet black hair. There's nothing better than jet black hair. I just love jet black hair. I love the look of it. It makes every hairstyle look so sleek and nice. And there you go, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you have any other questions. Make sure you share this video with your friends. Go follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I have been on my Twitter more lately. We're talking about really important stuff over there, so make sure you come over there and join in on the discussion. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.